Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is lifestyle tutorials. My tutorial today I'm embarking on solving an issue with Payoneer. Somebody sent $53 to this Payoneer. Then it raised a question, a suspicion question, and Payoneer prompted us to submit some information in the verification center. Once we come submit now, will this is now verification center. It tells us that we have open items. Open items, first let us see the history. It means that receiving account questionnaire is still under review, and national ID was approved. So we see the open items that we are supposed to respond. We can see send payments to other Payoneer customers. Why provide this information? So that we can approve your account to send payments direct to other Payoneer customers. So we can see that we are seeing connection to the payer's explanation. Once we click here, we'll be able to see, to understand your business we need additional information. Connection with payers explanation. Tell us more about your connection there. Tell us more about your connection with the payer. Now this is giving us a chance to explain that in this transaction that was done, in this transaction that was done, it is asking us why was money sent from the sender's Payoneer to this current recipient Payoneer, which $53. Why did that person send? That is what we are supposed to answer when it comes here. Here, connection with the payers, we are supposed to give a valid explanation. Then we are supposed to submit an invoice here, and the invoice has its I'm sure it has its regulation. We see an invoice for the transaction listed above. The invoice must have a logo, your name, client's name, invoice number, date, product, service, and amount paid. So those are the basic requirements. You can see an example of an invoice. It needs to have a brand name, a company name. It needs to have items described, product service description, and the logo, the name, the invoice number, the date, and the amount paid. So we'll still go back to the other required thing: screenshot showing affiliation of your business web page. So we'll come here. The screenshot showing affiliation of your web page, it's a screenshot from either your business online store, your profile on a freelance platform, and your business social network profile. See an example. We need to see a screenshot that has a URL from the browser address bar. We need to see the store or the username. We need to see the full name, address. We need to see the address, the email, and the phone number as listed above. It says the screenshot must have your company name, your address, your phone number, your primary address that matches your Payoneer's profile settings, your first name and your last name, and your picture. So that is it. So we will come here. Those are the queries that we ought to respond to. And the last thing that we are supposed to respond to is we can see after the screenshot we'll submit some of the receivers at receiving account questionnaire has already been submitted. This is lifestyle tutorials. I'll make another recording as I solve this issue. In case you have your PayPal, your cash has been limited in Payoneer or PayPal, kindly reach out. I'll be able to assist you. In case you need maybe an exchange of dollars or additional dollars, or maybe you have less than $50 that you need to withdraw or send to a recipient from Payoneer, kindly reach out through my WhatsApp number in the description link. I'll be able to assist you. This is lifestyle tutorials. Any query with Payoneer, funds that have been held for 180 days, anytime you need to submit maybe proof of business, proof of address in Payoneer, and proof of purchase, proof of fulfillment, any questionnaire, watching my other videos, the issues that I've been solving, any query with any payment method. If you need a dollar account from a freelance platform, or you need a create you a Payoneer and a PayPal account, I'll create you at a token of appreciation.